So many thanks for speaking to us at ET. Now, let me first begin by talking about the outreach that Patanjali has
Sure.
done today. How do you think this is going to bolster your own business and the current Ayurveda business at Patanjali?
I think it would definitely make a lot of, what do we say, bolster our growth, because a lot of people will actually get to know that, since the partnership is there, and they would feel that, that they can actually buy the products out of here. And plus, we also have certain products that we are not selling earlier, which have all got added. A lot of Ayurvedic medicinal products have actually been added on the platform today, so which were not available earlier. And, basically, if anybody was looking at buying Ayurvedic medicinal products, which actually required a prescription, those are actually going to be available through the platform. So this was not there earlier. So it's also going to help and bolster or actually grow the age-old Ayurvedic medicine, which is not traditionally available online, or actually for Patanjali was not selling it online, and that would be available online.
We're just ahead of, just 2 weeks ahead of the union budget. What are your own expectations? How do you think, because healthcare needs a lot of attention from the government. Also, e-commerce as a space needs a lot of attention. If you can help us understand one or two things that you would
I would say that
ask
if
from
you
the
were to look at healthcare on a whole, I think if it's given the sectoral status of a priority sector, where everything becomes much better, would definitely be an added advantage that actually comes into the picture. And there is going to be a lot of investment that actually needs to be done in terms of making healthcare affordable and accessible across the country. So if you look at it, there are pockets in the country which are doing very well, and there are various pockets where it's very difficult to actually get to the product. And help in terms of on the whole, the entire health policy, I think they're working towards using technology and digital, digitizing the entire healthcare to try and make sure that it reaches out to more people. And more regulations that actually come in terms of supporting it, and
Right.
that's what we're basically looking at.
Thank you so much for speaking to us at
Thank you.
ET. Thank you, sir.